knock 3 times if you get scared, and I'll come right in. If you really fast.
Trying to get her to crawl forward. She just did it. Come here.
What's the matter now? I think there's something in the closet. It's just your clothes and toys. Well, did you close the closet
Come here.
door? There, all closed. Now go to sleep.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
What's wrong? I think there's
There you go. Come here.
really good things around here.
Come here to daddy. Come here to daddy.
Oh, there is something.
Come here to daddy.
What is it? It's a furry.
Alright, let me try this again. Ah! Go get the guitar. Go get the guitar.
Good night.
There she goes. She's getting there.
Did you two use all your energy saving energy? Get it?
Go get it. Hey. You're cheating now.
We need a new idea for tonight.
And there she goes forward.